Welcome back, students. I hope you all had a great break. Welcome to Unit 9. We're going to be focusing on Sumo Paint this unit. And just like every other week, you are to dive in and explore and check out the website, some of the Sumo Paint tutorials if you want to get a little bit more extensive into the functions that it offers. I have to fix that link. It seems that that particular tutorial link is not working. The Sumo Paint website does work. I will find the correct tutorials for you and update that link prior to revealing this unit. You can sign in. They're probably going to want you to register as usual, but then you can have it as easy access for you. Go ahead and show your paint and layer explorations. Upload them here and then post them as well. You want to do layered images to the forum and respond to your peers. Okay, if you have questions, please let me know. Have a productive week.